There it is.
What?
The American Girl thing.
Get out of the car. What is that?
The American Girl.
Come on, get out of the car. Open the door.
Store?
Do you know what they have in there?
What?
Open the door,
They
Catherine.
have
Get
a
out of
cafe. I'm guessing.
the Come on.
I was not expecting this to happen at all. Not expecting this at all. I was not expecting this place. I was not expecting this place at all. I was not expecting this place.
Okay.
Totally wasn't.
Come on, let's go. You want to go inside?
Uh-huh.
You-
I've never been to this place before in my entire life.
Would you like to have lunch with the American Dolls? They have pizza, Catherine.
I was thinking it was a different building. What is the...
This is it.
That's Grace Thomas. That's Grace Thomas. That doll is Grace Thomas.
Okay.
There she is again.
You excited, Catherine? Go ahead.
Totally not.
Come on, let's go in.
This is so weird.
Are you excited?
Yeah.